should go play in the rain for a while? Chao, Chao. Okay, let's go ask Mama. Chao, Chao. Hi, Mama. Hi, Cream. What can I do for you? She saw that it's raining outside. Oh? Will it be okay if we play in the rain for a while? Why, sure, sweetie. Just make sure you come back inside when you hear thunder. Okay, thank you, Mama. My pleasure, Cream. Have fun and be careful. We will. Come on, Cheese. Ciao, ciao. It sure is a lovely day for some rain. What do you think we should do, Cheese? Chow, 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 chow. Chow, chow, chow. You want to sing a song about the rain? Chow, chow. Okay. I think I have a perfect song to sing. Chow. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. Dancing in the rain, ya-da-da-da-da-da. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. Chow, chow. Chow, chow. Chow, chow, chow. Oh. Chow, chow. Uh-oh, the thunder is rolling. We better go inside. Chow, chow. I'm dancing and singing